Hey, so today we're gonna be making a paper airplane, or a paper jet, I should say. This one is it's pretty simple. So, yeah, let's get started. So first, you're gonna want to fold this at a preliminary fold. I think that's what it's called. This. And then you want to fold it the opposite way, like fold it down to here. So sorry if there's gonna be like any like sound in the background, because like my dogs are like really mean to each other and they like fight a lot. So sorry if there's like background sounds. But so once you've done that, you're gonna want to fold this part down to here, right about to here. Okay, so once you've done that, you want to fold. Now this is a little bit of a confusing step. Or, yeah, I should put it this way. Sorry if that hasn't been right. So, I'm going to fold this edge to the center crease, like right here. And then you want to fold it down to this edge, like, now to the fold. Sorry if it isn't perfect. I don't have any square paper yet, so it's not perfect. I'm sorry. I don't cut it super good. Just like that. So you see, I'm gonna put it. So sorry, that's really bad. Like so I am really bad. Sorry, I'm really new to this. So my camera angle. If my camera angle is really bad, I'm so sorry. I'll fix it the next video that I make. So I'm gonna fold it to right there, like there. And I'll just do it to this side, but yeah. Yeah, mine probably won't be perfect because I'm not super good at this yet. I'm not like really good, but I'm recording this video on Christmas Eve, so I'm probably gonna get my Jason Merrill book today, or one of the origami books. So yeah. Now once you have these, you want to fold this down into the middle, like this. You want it to be really good. So be a really good crease. So you'll just do the same thing on the other side. Yeah, mine never is really perfect. It's not really ever perfect. On a good day, I usually get it perfect. Just gonna take everything out. Then you're gonna fold it in one more time, like this. Sorry, I'm gonna fold it out like this because I really am nervous or something. Not nervous, but I'm gonna fold it out here first just to get the crease good. Just like that. Yeah, I usually like to fold it out like this first, then fold the crease, or just fold it in regularly, but If you don't want to do this, you do not have to. But I'm just doing it this way just to get everything perfect. So this crease is going to be a little bit confusing. We're going to fold the wings, but the tip where you fold them can be a bit confusing at times. So there will be this little crease right about in here, these creases, right in here. I'm going to fold this tip down to there. So you're going to fold, sorry, I keep getting it upside down. So these creases, you want to fold this top edge to there. Sorry, mine's going to get wrinkled. So I'm not good at this one. So right here, right there. You're gonna fold the wings from that angle. So you're gonna fold it from here to there. You can fold it in half and then match the wing. You don't have to, but I'm just gonna do that so I can just get this perfect. Nice, look at that. It's perfect. And then yep. Fold that in half like this again. So you're gonna want to use this. You're gonna fold these out like this. We're gonna create the afterburners. Because there's afterburners, like I said in the intro. So you're gonna fold this in here to here. I'm gonna fold this, and you're gonna do the same on this side. But sorry, I keep turning it upside down, whoopsies. Sorry, I keep doing that. I usually do that on my planes, but I'm probably gonna. I might not record tomorrow, but. So you're gonna do that. And I'm gonna fold these in here, so like that. Just fold it down on that remaining piece that you made. Now you want these afterburners to be really square-like. So just to make sure that it's square-like, we're gonna do the folds for it, so then you could just like finagle it into that position where you want it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold this to here. This crease right here to there. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. And then you're gonna unfold those, and then you're just going to squash fold these like this. So you could get a pencil for this. I don't know if I have any. Here, I'm gonna use this. I use this for my globe that I have. But these, you wanna like open it up and squash fold from these creases. So I'm gonna open it up because I really can't like. Just going to like. Sorry, my squash fold is really bad. You just want this crease to be parallel, or not parallel, but like going right on that line. You know what I mean? I think you know what I'm talking about. But you're just gonna do that, and then you're just gonna unfold that because we really want this afterburner to be really square-like, and then you're gonna do the same to the other side. Sorry about this. You're just gonna unfold that, because you know if it's starting to form like the square, if you can see, like, sorry, I can't, sorry, my camera angle's really bad, I cannot get the camera angle, so yeah, just gonna do that. Now we're gonna get ready to jet fold the model. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna unfold. You can choose whatever side you want, but I'm gonna do the right one for now. So you're gonna unfold this, and you see this crease, right, going in there here. You're gonna fold that down. So it's gonna go like right in there. Sorry if my voice sounds really babyish, I feel like, because like I usually, whenever I'll record a video, or just not even on YouTube, my voice will sound really babyish. It's really annoying. I think it's like my voice always sounds a lot different in camera, but so yeah, you want to fold it. You don't want to fold it all the way. You just want to fold it to that point. This point right here, where that line that you made intersects. You want to fold right to that, or however far it goes. But you know what I mean. And you're just gonna do the same on the other side. Sorry if it's getting lighter. It's getting sunny out, and I live in Washington, so it's kind of, you know, it's like unusual for it to be sunny. But so once you've done that, you want to flip it over, and you're gonna jet fold the model. I want to close it in like that, so I'm just gonna boom. Sorry if that jet fold was bad. Now, you don't have to reinforce the nose on this model. I mean, if you want to, you can, but I want to save time for this model, so I'm not going to do that. But and then you're going to make the tail fin. Now, there's no real, like, crease that you want to intersect for this. You just kind of, like, make, like, a guess. It's not really, like, much that I do, but for this one, I mean, you could just really, like, you don't really do much. You want to open it up. You want to fold it about, like, there or here. Like, either one or the other. Like, right there would be perfect. Like, right about there. Anything close to that is perfect. So, it's a little hard to get this perfect, because I made this model a really long time ago, and I don't really improve it because I'm working on other models. But yeah, so you do that. Then we're gonna make the locking mechanism, and this one's gonna be really small, but still holds it together well. So you're gonna fold this one to right here. It should, or fold. You can fold 2 layers at the same time, but you want to fold both layers like that. And you want to close it, but that's all you do. I mean, I don't do any much. Jason Merrill does it a bit different, but I just do it like that. Makes it simpler. Comment in the comments below if it makes it better if you fold it in again, if you fold it like twice. You know what I mean? Sorry, yeah, I don't think you know what I mean. But yeah. So you want to do that, and as you can see, it locks the model really well. So you're just gonna fold the wings up. Just gonna fold them up. If they're not perfect, you can like adjust them a bit, but they should usually be pretty good. If you're good, you could get them really perfect, so. Like that. You're gonna have it like this. So, we're not done yet. We need to form the afterburners. So, you see on the back of the plane, you wanna get maybe like a pencil or something, and you wanna open them up like this. See this? You wanna like get something that you can point in there. Like maybe you could use your finger. It's okay if you use tweezers. So you're just gonna wanna like kind of roll it on those creases that you made and open it up. You see how it's really like see that? Want like that. If you could do that to the other side, that would be perfect. Sorry, I'm not using that anymore. So I'm gonna do this off camera. I'm just forming them, but sorry if you can't see. So you're gonna have them. If you got it good, you're gonna have them like that. And then that's pretty much the end of the model. I mean, what you really do is you just shape it. You just shape it. So that's all you do. But yeah. Sorry, mine's like a little bent. Yeah, mine is really So yeah, that is the end of the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. So yeah, bye.